Terry, have you tried the water?
Shut up, Alan.
The cucumber accents the water in such a way that...
But now, word from our sponsor, Teddy Fresh, who's giving us lots of real money that is not fake.
Whoa. You don't have a sponsorship. I don't even think your mom is following you. Oh, yeah, then why do I have this hat? Well, I don't know. Why am I wearing this Star Wars helmet? Well, I mean, you just... Wait, how did you get... That is a great point. Anyways, gotta get going. Leave? But you just got here. I don't even know who you are. But yeah, this is great. I think we should revisit this sometime. Right. Okay. So... Wait. Is that an Apple product? Right, that?
Today begins a new chronicle in Chase's life.
You don't have very much time, Dad.
Oh, why?
I don't know.
Well, that's not what Jimmy Fallon told me. They say take all the time you want on your kid's phone.
Okay, we'll proceed.
New chronicle. Let's see, where was I?
You see the Benz on bill. When I roll 20, so drama in the club. Now I'm in the boat. Right? Everybody show me love. You sound like them in the be love. Homie, when you ain't grown down, G's up. Big living in the man, rolling trees up. You got time, moving, safe for a player pick. Been hit for the few shells, now I don't walk with a limp. In the hood, in the lady saying 50, you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But holla in New York, the show, they tell you I'm local. The plan is to put the rap game in the chokehold. I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind, got a meal out the deal, and I'm still in the grind. Now shorty says she feeling my style, she feeling my flow. A girl from Wooded, they buy, and they ready to go. Mommy, yeah, I don't feel a buzz. I got what you need, if you need to feel a buzz. I'm in the habit, I'm in the make it look. I'm getting me up, we in there getting rough. Go find me in the club, I don't feel a buzz. I got what you need, if you need to feel a buzz. I'm in the habit, I'm in the make it look. I'm getting me up, we in there getting rough. Go.
No more water. We're not here for that.
No, I was very much looking forward to having the water.